Okay, so I just got the Skyline adapter. I don't know if you can see it. See if my phone focuses. Anyway, this is an adapter to make your charging ports inside the Model 3 actually extend a little farther and give you a little more clearance for a case. So anyway, let's see how hard this is to install. So I have a wireless charging pad here, but usually I'm in the car for such short periods of time that I actually want to fast charge with a hard connection. I know you can fast charge with wireless, but it's still not as fast as a hard connect. So I got this adapter for quite a bit cheaper than what the wireless pads go for. And I actually found that some of the USB battery banks that you can get, you could actually just set in your compartment in here, plug them to the low power USB ports, let the low power USB ports charge the battery pack, and then have that fast charge through one of these connections. Some of them allow pass-through charging, some don't. You have to do a little research and find out, but some of them do pass-through charging, so you can have it connected here while fast charging via a battery pack that you just have sitting in your compartment. So anyway, let's see how hard this is to do. Just remove the cover, take my pad off. So this new piece looks like it just sits on the top of the existing one in your Tesla. So because I don't think, yeah, this piece does not come off. So so this new little piece actually just sits right on top. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. A little tricky. Definitely tricky to do with one hand. I don't know if I have this going in here right. So that's the original Tesla adapter. Let me go ahead and set my phone down and I'll connect it. Okay, well, it requires a little finessing to get the connector in there, but once it's in there, you should be able to just slide the factory cover back on. Definitely easier with two hands to do all this. Let's see if I got it. There. Okay, now it's on there. Connector sticks up a little further. There you go. I'll still keep this wireless one here just for fun. Let's see. What do we got? Okay, there we go. Now the covers still function as they should. Now you have your charge port that sticks up further and sticks out further for connecting to your phones. Anyway, that's the Skyline adapter for the Tesla Model 3.